Okay, so we have midweek tournament report, and most of these are update for new panelists. And for example, this one, yeah, the Snake Eye with new panelist because he played two Chang of Heart. With Chang of Heart, you don't need to wait until opponent activate effect monster, so you can just take control opponent, let's say Flamberg or something. And next we have purely with only to my friend. I think not much change for purely list. He just changed my friend with talent, I think, because most of purely list usually play 3 impromptu failure, which is really strong against Snake Eye or Fire King or Rescue S. Desire is like mandatory in for a Japan player, but I personally don't like Desire because sometimes you banish your key card, let's say the Sleepy Memory or Delicious. If you don't like Desire, you can change Desire with under a staple. Purely and Himantech to Nibiru. This also with new panelist because you played to my friend. Um, uh, this one is not from tournament, but you can use this for reference. This is like wild reference. Tier, EXO, True Drago, next Anti-Meta, next Fire King, and he played this Snake Eye spell, this one. I forget this card name, but this card is really good when you got second, especially in mirror match. He also maintain 2 Super Poly, where no one plays Super Poly anymore in Fire King. I also don't like Super Poly in this deck because it will cut 2 space in your extra deck. Next, this one is not from new panelist, but you can use this for reference too. Purely and a Fire King. And this Fire King he played the 1 for 1 and 1 droplet. Next we have Fire King with new panelist because he played Heavy Storm in side deck. Soul Release for a mirror match, but it about 50-50 in mirror match because if your opponent has Santi spell, your Soul Release will not playable. Next Rescue S with the new panelist with 1 emergency and it become 3 wounded is mandatory right now. 3 bonfire and 2 populous, and he only play 1 impulse and 1 fire engine. I also have similar list like this, but I still like Impam in my main deck, and it because emergency is limit, so reinforce is mandatory in main deck. Set an extra 3 soul release. From next play tournament, the list is same as before because like these two, this from Raiten and Gyakuna is are list from this next play tournament. First place is Fire King. Next we have Rescue S. I forget to mention about this anti-spell. Anti-spell is mandatory in Rescue S2 because it protect your spell trap against opponent Duster or Heavy Storm. Next we have Silent Force, and it is interesting because you don't play it as Blossom, and he might take 3 droplet instead of 3 imperm, and he played a pure build for and he played Troll instead of S Blossom. It's really weird actually. Next for extra, he played more than one copy, especially like this Dinamondo or something, plus two Mudragon. I think it's because he played Extravagance and Prosperity for consistency. 3 Cosmic Cyclone, it is for anti-spell because everyone play anti-spell right now inside deck. Pancratops is for anti-spell too. And next, another Fire King. And as you can see, all of these lists they played anti-spell plus Cosmic Cyclone. Next, Fire King. Next, Silent Force, and he played 2 Gold. Another Silent Force, and he played 3 anti-spell. Sama limit for side deck. Next, Purely, he might take 2 Nip and 2 Troll. 3 Soul Release when you going second, 3 Dimensional Fissure when you going first. Cosmic Cyclone when you going second against anti-spell. Yeah, this is event for Master Duel 2024 event or something. Next, Rescue S. Two Phantasma, 3 Soul Release. All side deck is spell cards, and it is interesting. Next, it is Snake Eye. Next, we have Retrigan Archfiend. Next, Fire King. Soul Release 2. Yeah, everyone played Soul Release because this deck is untouched, so they expect to play a lot of mirror match. Another Fire King, and he played Tukuran. Next, first place we have Fire King. He played two Garunix, and he played maybe this is a wrong card maybe because he played Pyro Phoenix instead of Wrecking Phoenix. Next, another Fire King, and we have Volcanic. Yeah, Burn Build, he played 3 Trap. Next, Chimera Horus. Next, another Fire King. And this is my list. Maybe I want to cut this deck become 40, because overall it's same as before. I think it's mandatory, like play reinforce is mandatory, and the change is I play unicorn instead of whale, and everything is like standard. I was thinking to play 1-4-1-2, but you need to discard a monster, which is really hard, I think. I break it because I open spell trap, rescue S plus hand trap, I believe. But I have a starter card in a starting hand. I don't have problem with this deck, because with reinforce you can cycling your emergency, and I think that's it. And let's see for this week. I think we will get a lot of Fire King, but it will interesting to see under deck who get top, especially this Rescue S, because I like this deck a lot, because you can play around like a lot of fan trap, as long as you not break. So yeah, that's it.